First on CBS 4 News at 6 tonight, the uncertain future of Colorado's growing marijuana industry. A change at the federal Justice Department allows prosecutors to more aggressively enforce federal marijuana laws, even though Colorado voters approved legalized marijuana. Now, the end of an Obama-era policy has some Colorado leaders now fuming.
It also has the lucrative pot industry in Colorado and the thousands of people who work in it wondering what's next. We begin tonight with investigator Rick Salinger, who has followed the marijuana industry since it was born here. Rick?
Well, Jim, Colorado's billion-dollar marijuana industry remains alive and well. In fact, the U.S. Attorney in Colorado made it clear don't expect much of a change, if anything.
There was no panic here at True Cannabis, just people picking out their marijuana as usual.
I think it's better than popping pills all day.
But the Attorney General of the United States is refocusing his stance regarding marijuana prosecution, leaving it up to individual U.S. attorneys. Bruce Nassau, the board chairman of the Marijuana Industry Group in Colorado, foresees maybe a slowdown in marijuana business growth elsewhere, but not a shutdown here.
I think that the state of Colorado and others have proven we do not have rioting in the streets. The cartels have not taken over.
In a statement, the U.S. Attorney for Colorado indicates no significant change, but continuing to prosecute those who create the greatest safety threats to our communities around the state. Here's the governor.
They are not going to take away resources from those higher magnitude crimes to address some pot dispensary on South Broadway.
Nevertheless, marijuana, while legal under state of Colorado law, remains in the same class as heroin under federal law.
How many people have died from marijuana versus how many people die every single day from heroin?
Some people are worried, though, that Jeff Sessions' action today might be just the beginning. Interesting to note, the price of marijuana-related stocks around the country were down. Live in Denver, Rick Salinger, covering Colorado First.
Thank you, Rick.